Hi, Professor. My name is YAXINWANG. This is my reflective learning videos. Let's start the videos. Professor, I'm YAXINWANG. I'm an advertising student in advertising account management of Shannon College. Having looked at the advertising industry before, I find that there are advertising and marketing campaigns everywhere in our lives to help us understand product and marketers. I have an interesting influencer of the advertising company Ogilvy. Its founder, David Ogilvy, is known as the father of advertising. He constantly tried to establish a good relationship between advertising and consumers, and constantly understand the habits and insights that help consumers. Therefore, I also want to learn how advertising and marketing affect consumer behavior through the study of advertising major in Sheldon College. At the same time, I also want to learn more about advertising professional knowledge and use industrial standard software to have a more professional understanding of advertising and marketing. In this class, the most important thing I learned from the professor is how to design a perfect LinkedIn profile. This is very useful for me, which can help me better use my LinkedIn to match corresponding job and conduct useful networking when looking for the job in the future. At the same time, in my 60-second unique value proposition, I remember when the professor came as a manager to hear why we want to interview for this job. He also gave us a lot of advice, which was very helpful in the future interview. In the process of learning, people should practice and understand the key points of knowledge about advertising and can apply to the future work. At the same time, I suggest that in the process of learning, people should also combine the actual situation and real cases to analyze, so that it can get better practice and easy understand what we learn. When I first found that I was interested in advertising, it's an advertisement of McDonald's. It has different advertising slogans around the world and a specific slogan in some specific place, which are very attractive to me. Therefore, I think the extensive of the advertising lines in attracting consumer and promoting product, which is a unique charm of advertising. Therefore, I want to have a deeper understand the standard of the advertising industry and design interesting marketing campaigns. In this class, I learned how to design interesting marketing activities and how to improve and modify my LinkedIn profile. Also, this valuable learning experience, which I will apply to my work in the future. I think the study of this postgraduate course will be great help to our future employment. First, the school will provide us with opportunity to better link up the transition between study and work after graduation. At the same time, I think this major is very practical, and we will analyze and discuss problems according to actual cases in class, which is more interesting. If you are interested in advertising and marketing campaigns, you can choose this course because you will learn a lot of skills, including software application and marketing techniques. So far, I think this course has brought me two useful applications. The first one is about this use of LinkedIn, because in our future work, we will need LinkedIn to find our matching jobs and network with people related to the industry. With a good LinkedIn profile, it will attract others to pay more attention to me and find my own shining point, which is a more useful point. The other thing is that we must be ethical, honest, and truthful in our advertising and marketing activities. In the future, both sales advertisers should have a better understanding of product and the consumer and realize what they really need instead of blindly recommending and doing more things, which will affect the consumer experience and product marketing. Finally, I would like to thank you, your professor, and the knowledge taught by this class, which I will apply to my future work and study. which will be the most valuable with. I also want to thank the professor for his teaching this semester. Thank you for listening. Thank you.